Hi everyone, and welcome to week 12 of Writing 213. So we are now week 12 of 16 weeks, which means we are 75% of the way through the semester. And this is when things start to feel really busy, so stay with me and don't get too distracted by the really beautiful weather outside. We have one more project to get through together. So this week you're going to be directing your own reading in relation to your project. I'm strongly suggesting that you consult with one of our librarians about your topic. If you visit the consortium library page, you can see that you can chat with a librarian online. You could call them, email them. You could go in face to face and talk with a librarian. This is really valuable and is going to help you to identify the best sources of information for your project. So I'd like you to locate, cite, and summarize at least one source for your project and turn that in this week. I'd also like you to provide a rationale for your mode. So think about how you might want to present your project. Do you think it might work best as a podcast or a slideshow with voiceover? Maybe a traditional academic paper that has a nice infographic. Maybe you're a person who might want to write a song or make a video about your topic. So for this assignment, I'm just asking you to write to me a few sentences explaining to me why this mode might work best for your topic. I apologize that I'm running late on responding to your last set of papers. I'm on the Dean Search Committee and we flew in candidates last week. I'm about halfway done and I'm going to work really hard to get all your papers back to you by Tuesday. So look forward to a response from me and make sure you're checking in with me if you have questions. Take care, everyone.